Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to verify Shopee Pay account. The steps are very simple and easy. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. To get started, first we need to open up any web browser and search for Shopee in the search bar. From the results, we need to tap on the first link as shown here, and it will redirect us to the official site of Shopee. As you can see here, Shopee is currently available in some selected countries and regions, and not everyone can access it. So we need to select a random country from here and then log in to our account. As I am already logged in, so I will tap on my profile from the top right, and after that select my account. And after your account loads up, you need to scroll down and then you will see customer service. From there, select Shopee Pay, and it will redirect you to the Shopee Help Center. From here, you will get to know all the details about Shopee Pay and how to use it. Now, if you scroll down, you can see how to use Shopee Pay in the interface. You need to have a Shopee app in order to access Shopee Pay, and if you want to verify your Shopee Pay account, you need to accept the terms and conditions of Shopee Pay. And after that, provide your personal informations such as your national ID or your passport or your driver's license. You also need to give facial verification for security purposes. And after submitting all your informations, you need to wait for 24 hours for your ID to get verified.